Do we have any news today? No news. Yeah, we have 8:30 news, but that is white, yellow, so that is not a big deal. So this marks the zone for the we are they said this daily gap in the US 100. US 500 is trending to the upside by taking out the weekly highs. We are trending upside, so is up the highs. Daily high. Let's mark this daily highs too. Let's get this 4-hour chart. We can see this 4-hour gap get respected. We got a CH story for the in the 4-hour, but we tap into this 4-hour and try to push higher. A and mark previous day high and previous day low here. We can see that this our draw is. We can see our draw is this Asian lows only. Other than we are inside this gap, we change the stage here by inversing this whole level here. But in this 4-hour, we are currently bullish in station structure. We 1 hour we break the structure, but still we are bullish because we are inside this gap. We still have these Asian highs. We can mark this 1 hour fair value gap. Let's mark this 30-minute also. We don't need this 30 minutes today, maybe. We have this 30 minutes. Do we have any equal lows here anywhere? We have these lows here. This is 6:30. This is also 6:30. Let's see, this is 7. There is 7. Yeah, this is 7. This is 7 a.m. Still unmitigated. Um, we don't miss this level actually. We have this 30 minutes gap. Have this here also. We have these equal highs like look at this equal high here. Let's hope it will deliver to this side here. That is London highs also. We have these highs here. Switching right. We just respected this 5 hour, then we respected this 5 hour. We respected this 4 hour, that is matter this hour. So what we want here is we need a continuation. This is a 5 minute here, so we can inverse this, we can take a trade something like that to these standard highs. This is a possible trade, but Since I was kind of 6:30, let's see. Visual Darshan, how, yeah, well, how, yeah, 7 p.m. we have unemployment claim rate that is actually positive. That's why it's non-employment market. So actually, this I think we 7, yeah, 6:30, 7:30, 6:30. Let's change it for just 5 o'clock. So the news was around 7. Like I think this is the news candle that allow. Yeah, structure wise, we break this one here. We are inside this 1 hour. We tap into this 5 minutes. Now we are delivering lower. We got this low here. I mean, we got an assembly with this low. We are inside this 30 minute. I'm looking for something like this. And we already have so here we are in a very big downtrend. We are not going to get any entries. Like we didn't exhaust this level yet, so we respected this limit. So we still have that 30 minutes. It's a possible trade here. We don't have any confirmation yet to take that as well. Well, inside this 70 minutes, so I think we are bullish and we should keep looking for bonds. Not trading on that Chronos account today because there will be a little bit confusing to trade all those trades. So after 11 o'clock, I will on the PM session I will try to trade on that. Until then, we are on this account for now. So this is high. This is 150. 1:15 of 8 January. Like if we save this law here, like we will found SMT there inside this 15 and here, so we found an equal highs here. Theoretically, we swept the London high, but should I take this 30 minute, 30 seconds? Sure, I will stay for here. How we actually said that. How we want to say to the somebody's call, actually. We have Ella here on yeah. We have a pretty good chance that we will just. There is a 30-second inversion here, so I'm not sure whether I should take this or not. If we can take this, we can take something. We can look for something like this, just to what is only possible trade. I didn't take this yet. I am waiting for multiple confirmation before taking my trade. Don't have any gap here. Like 9:45 candle will open in few minutes. See if we can manipulate. Oh, look at that, this stop here. Then we have the seat of high step. I think this will happen. Look at this low sensitivity is getting set and service the units. Great level for a long. Take this, the reason behind this is that this US 500 is already in this gap. We respected the gap pretty much well. We formed a like SMT with this high vendor lows, like these lows we formed SMT there, and we are in the for our gap here. Even though we have these equal lows sitting here, this is equal lows sitting here. Single candle got open. Let's see how this. Let's see, we start this slow. And we start that. So this Vegas is we don't have good levels in those, but man, look at that. That is crazy. I actually wanted to take this trade because it is that clear that this will just. Should I buy this? We don't have an inversion, but wait for this inversion. We actually didn't inverse, and we can fairly target. La 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 If this can inverse to the downside, I'm also planning to take a shot either way because let's see if we can inverse this level. I'll probably take this shot if we do not if we do not take this law. Actually, this is a pretty nice one. Nice continuation. We're also close below that. Yeah, we didn't get inversion. And this. Then we have a pretty clean realization. We will probably go to this highs and here. But taking a long here is a little risky. If you want to take this long, I will take this rather than taking a long from here. Around here, I think I'm ready to get break even. Is it just a demo trade? I don't trade US. I trade. Now we got break even. I think I can land this. We didn't even get an SMD from these guys. How can I short? Yeah, we got the inversion, but I think we will close the 15 minute in few seconds. We will wait.
Guys, we're great of the day. We finally got a full jump. This was a banger, delivering on a 15-minute, 5 minute inverse. Took it, expected open jump. We trend line liquidity. I rated A plus, executed for only 800 people.
Come on, man. At least give us that inversion.
Let's go. That was hilarious. I watched a ton of stupid 2026, first kiss of 2026, first proposal of 2026. But that was hilarious. That was so good. That's true.
I didn't took this trade, but this was my idea. I didn't took this only because we didn't get this inversion. I mean, this short is better than the, like we can short this one here, but we are delivering out of nowhere. Even if I short this, I will put it break even here. So yeah, we will probably get a break even there. Putting break even there was a great idea.
All right, guys.
Because that level is literally equivalent of a smoke. Like this thought so like it belongs to this I think like this yeah, I'm taking this law from here. This look nice and clean. We can inverse this level and taking the law. I mean, there is a 3 minute in this left. Yeah, this 3 minute will also come with us. We need to close it below. Okay, great. I will definitely taking this. Why? Oh shit, I got filled over a pretty very big above. Come on. I got filled very big. It's okay. Either way, I'm holding it until at least 1 to 1. I filled around here. Yeah, even about this number like this. My stop is in this middle of this. Like a 1 to 1. Oh, we got sub this highs here, but we are bullish, so it's okay. Yeah, this is where exactly where I filled. I trade CFD, so I have struts here and there. I put my TP around 1 to 1, like around here. Think of how think about this level around here. Yeah. That's why I should go break even here because look at this. I'm decreasing my risk here. Um, Yeah, we tapped in this 15, so I should get it to break even. I should follow my rules. I'm confident in this trade, but rules are rules, so we should follow that. This 15 entry will break me out of this trade, but hmm, I think I'm going to get break even. Yeah, okay. As probably will be a break even. Okay, here we go. And this is boring. I should watch some reels.
ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ടയറും സസ്പെൻഷൻ ഒക്കെ ഇട്ട് വണ്ടി ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുന്ന കാലത്ത് ബ്രസീലിലെ ഡേവിഡ് എന്ന വ്യക്തി മാറി ചിന്തിച്ചു. പൈസ ഓഫ് റോഡ് വണ്ടിയായ ടൊയോട്ട ഹൈലക്സിനെ താഴേക്ക് ലോവർ ചെയ്തു. ക്രിസ്മസിന് ഒരു വെറൈറ്റിക്ക് അപ്പൂപ്പന്റെ വാഹനമായി ഉപയോഗിച്ചു. ഈ പരിപാടി ക്രിസ്മസിന് ഒരു വെറൈറ്റിക്ക് അപ്പൂപ്പന്റെ വാഹനമായി ഉപയോഗിച്ചു. ഈ പരിപാടി That's not well. No, what you guys talking about surviving the night. Tennis.
JJR is live. Let's watch him. He's live on TikTok. Yeah, TJR is also in the same trade. Great. But TJR is trades on the years, but I trades on the NQ. That's the difference. TJR is aimed on the S&P 500. I'm on NQ. He is targeting this equal house I mark here. Like it is, I think, this London high. He is he traded from around here. Yeah. Hmm. His price action is pretty bad.
Oh, you guys are like such a cute couple. Are you a couple? Really? Do you want to be? Do you? Are you funny?
I don't want to fear for this way.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so that's right. പലരും ചെറുപ്പത്തിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ കേട്ടിട്ടുള്ളതും ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടതായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പരസ്യമാണ് വെൽ വാട്ട് ആക്ച്വലി ഹാപ്പൻ ടു അറ്റ്ലസ് രാമചന്ദ്രൻ. കേരള ബാങ്കിലും എസ് പി ടിയിലൊക്കെ ജോലി ചെയ്തിരുന്ന ആളായിരുന്നു അറ്റ്ലസ് രാമചന്ദ്രൻ. പിന്നീട് ബാങ്കിന്റെ ഫീൽഡിൽ തന്നെ കുവൈറ്റിലും വർക്ക് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. അവിടെ നിന്നാണ് കൂടുതൽ ഈ സ്വർണ്ണാഭരണങ്ങളെ കുറിച്ച് ജ്വല്ലറിയെ കുറിച്ച് കൂടുതൽ സ്പെഷ്യലൈസ്ഡ് നോളജും കിട്ടുന്നത്. അങ്ങനെ പിന്നെ കുവൈറ്റിലാണ് അറ്റ്ലസ് ജ്വല്ലറിയുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റോർ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഗൾഫ് രാജ്യങ്ങളിൽ മൊത്തം 41 ഷോറൂമും ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ആകെ 7 ഷോറൂമുകളായിട്ട് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. എന്നാൽ 1990 കുവൈറ്റ് ഇറാഖ് യുദ്ധം വന്നപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഷോപ്പ് കൊള്ളയടിക്കുകയും തകർന്നു പോവുകയും ചെയ്തെങ്കിലും നല്ല കംബാക്ക് തന്നെ അടിച്ച് തിരിച്ചു വന്നു. മാത്രമല്ല 1988 മുതലേ ഒരുപാട് സിനിമകൾ ഇദ്ദേഹം നിർമ്മിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. മാത്രമല്ല പല സിനിമകളിലും അഭിനയിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. 2015 ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 23 ഈ ദിവസമാണ് അറ്റ്ലസ് രാമചന്ദ്രന്റെ പതനം സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. തീരെ വയ്യാതെയായിട്ട് ഓഫീസിൽ നിന്നും വീട്ടിലേക്ക് വന്ന അറ്റ്ലസ് രാമചന്ദ്രനെ തിരക്കി 2 അറബി ലുക്കിലെ ആളുകൾ വരാണ്. അവർ അദ്ദേഹത്തോട് പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷനിലോട്ട് വരാനായിട്ട് ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടു. അത് ആക്ച്വലി ഒരു അറസ്റ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു. ദുബായിലെ 19 ബാങ്കുകളും 60 ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽസും ചേർന്ന് കൊടുത്ത പരാതിയിലാണ് ഈ ഒരു അറസ്റ്റ് നടന്നത്. ബാങ്ക്സുമായിട്ട് എന്തോ കോടികൾ വിലമതിക്കുന്ന ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞ കേസിലാണ് അദ്ദേഹം അകത്തായത്. ടാക്സുമായിട്ട് പറ്റിയ ഒരു പിഴവിലാണ് സംഭവിച്ചതെങ്കിലും സത്യത്തിൽ ആക്ച്വലി ഇയാളുടെ പിന്നിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരുപാട് ആളുകൾ കളിച്ചതാണ്. അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് രാമചന്ദ്രനെ പിന്നിൽ നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് അദ്ദേഹത്തെ തകർക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ശേഷം 3 വർഷം ഗൾഫിൽ ജയിലിൽ തന്റെ ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് എല്ലാ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളും തന്നെ വേറെ സ്ഥാപനങ്ങളിലേക്കും മറ്റു രംഗത്തേക്കൊക്കെ പോകാനായിട്ട് തുടങ്ങി. ഒരു കാലത്ത് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് തന്നെ
Yeah, I got out, man. Great. I get $25 profits today. After a 2-day losing streak, I got a win. Great. We have a good potential to here, but I don't know. We make a lot of sensitivity here. Mm, so so we may take this one. I don't know. We don't want to worry about that. We got our TP, so done for the day.
One more. Share real quick. I saw a lot of people already took that 2 minute long, and I'm gonna go over why that wasn't like it wasn't a bad trade, but it was just a pattern trade. So you catch 5 minute inverse. No, I did not take a trade today. All my draws were taken off this sell off, and I was just like I didn't trust anything else really. What do you want? Come on, let's get 8 more. 8 more people.
Yeah,
6 more people. Take a break until Monday. I mean, you don't have to, but if you need it, yeah. 5 more people. It's 4, 5. Come on. What's good? What's good? What's good? So we took a trade today. Let's see in chat. More person. Come on. Come on. One more. 2 minute inverse. Yeah, I'm gonna get into why I know that inverse. Here we go. 50. Let's go. 51. Okay. Y'all can see my screen? Wow, 55 people in here. That's crazy, bro. 57 people? It's the biggest live I've ever had. Okay. We'll get started. That's crazy. We're on craft right now, bro? Alright. We start the recording. This is insane. I've never had this many people in here before. Okay. So, as you guys know, I'll get into all your trades. Everyone just send in what they want me to react to. I'll go back up and react to everything. We do kind of have a time constraint, though. I have to go to Costco at like 11:05, like 11:10 latest. So, 60 people. That's insane, bro. Somebody get some screenshots while I'm doing it. Somebody get screenshots and then send them to me. Um, going into the day, going into the day, I was obviously super bearish. Right? We were ejecting off this big 4 hour gap we had. Right? We had a huge 4 hour gap. We also projected it insanely. We started getting legs down. We also came up into a 4 hour, and that's what we were inside of, right? So we obviously trade up into a bearish PD rate, respected it, got legs down, traded through a bullish PD rate, inversed it, and kept going lower. So that screams to me, right? We are bearish. We are the fact that we are inversing bullish PD rates, we are respecting bearish PD rates, we are trading lower. That gives you your bias. Just a bias is not hard to make. It's literally just what you are seeing. There's no technical analysis involved. I am currently seeing that we are trading lower. I'm currently seeing that we are inversing bullish PD rates, and I'm currently seeing that we were inside bearish PD rates. That is making me bearish. Okay, that is a very clear bearish, bias to me. Okay, on an hourly, it's the same thing. That 4 hour gap that we were inside of, that's what there was an hourly we were inside of. We are clearly trading lower. We are clearly trending down. So that to me screams for bearish. Okay. Um, right? On the 15 minute, we didn't really have much yet. We had this like Asia high above us, and then we had like some other. We had a pre market like a 6:30 low. We also had what was it? We had London low here, we had an hourly low here, and then a 15-minute low here, and then another low all the way down there. So there was a lot of sell side lows that was built up from the week or whatever we were at. So there was a lot of kind of reason to trade lower. So I was obviously going through the day super bearish. I know y'all thought that. I know y'all saw that and thought that. So that's that. Let's see. Okay, 1 minute. Right when market opened, we immediately started dumping. Okay, and this is where I feel like a lot of people who took the 2 minute long kind of went wrong here because this tells a lot about the market. Okay, right when market opened, what did we do? We traded up maybe 10 points. We didn't sweep out any sort of buy side. We didn't sweep any buy side. We didn't sweep. We just immediately just dump. We took out the pre market low in 2 minutes. No entry. Okay, we dump. Again, no entry to London low. We dump. We take it out. Okay, we keep just dumping. We take out the hourly low. This to me, right when market opens, we take out 150 points. We take out every sell side liquidity I pretty much had marked out. I didn't even have these two marked out at the time. I only had these. I didn't even have this one out there. I just had these two. So right when market opened, we took out every single liquidity that we had. And now look at the market now. We're dumping again because we're still in bearish structure. So right when market opened, we just take out every single sell side liquidity without even taking one bit of buy side. We just absolutely dump. And that screams to me that we are so bearish that we don't even need to take out buy side. We didn't even trade into the 5 minute gap because we are so bearish. So all these things are reasons that I am not gonna take along. Right? The fact that we are so bearish. And I think this is where a lot of people who took the 2 minute need to use their discretion and understand. Yeah, first off, we're super bearish. High time frame is so bearish. Right when market opened, we just completely dumped. Do I really expect us to get a full blown reversal right when market opened or right when we sweep liquidity? No. I also think when market if you took that 2 minute, it sweeps out sell side. You expect it to reverse. It doesn't. We sweep out more sell side. You expect it to reverse. It doesn't. At one point you have to understand that it's just going to keep taking out sell side and not reversing. So I think that's also a reason. So let's go like this. Let's just go in time order. So we start trading. We go lower. Okay, nothing really. Right? We don't see anything. We take out. This is what London. I think this was. Yeah, this was London low. So we take out London low. Nothing happens. Right? There's another hourly low below us. We end up sweeping that. Okay, so we sweep out some liquidity. So I think this is where all of y'all are like, okay, well, it's swept out sell side. Are we going to start getting legs up here? Right? We see it. We look at the highest time frame inversion because it's the manipulation like into liquidity, which again is fine. We get a nice inverse. This is a really nice inverse. If we were bullish or if we wanted a retracement, this is definitely what I would be looking for. I mean, this is insane, right? This is perfect. Exactly. Price got to convince you it's flipping, right? This doesn't really show that much convincing, right? This looks like a retracement. If you also look on the 5 minute, there's no 5 minute above us all the way up here, which is kind of fine because that's what you can target. Again, I just think today was a very kind of discretionary day to the point where it's like, hey, you see a setup which is really nice, but you can't pattern trade it and identify. You have to just understand, like, if you're so bearish, I don't think we're just going to completely reverse off this 1-2 minute IPG. I just don't think it's just kind of. I don't think that's just how it's going to happen. So again, I don't think it's a bad setup. There was definitely confidence there. I just think the fact that we were so bearish, it just completely takes out all longs. And that's exactly what I was seeing. I'm 62. Diving into icy lake on the coldest of progress. Two types of air. This is really shocking my body. And now I'm fighting to death. My mind gives me two options. Hold on long enough for the hormones to calm me down. The 70-second mark start to change. Serotonin, and suddenly I feel relaxed and fiddly. After the 100-second mark, I'm getting out. My beard count my wet shorts grows solid in just 5 minutes. Great to watch the video. Minus 62 degrees Celsius. Diving into icy lake on you. Want to cook for me for $100?
And then for
Yeah.
then for the